Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Excel with Thiru. In this video, we are going to see about the most expected last 60-day plan for your NEET 2021. So stay tuned and watch till the end. I'm going to give you a schedule, a timetable and a particular chapter wise stuffs and how to study, a lot of methods, a lot of interesting stuffs I'm going to tell you. So do watch till the end. It's going to be very nice. And if you guys are new to my channel, I'm Thirumagal. I'm a medical student. I teach for class 11, 12th and NEET. And if you have any doubts, do DM me on my Instagram. Don't forget to watch my human physiology lectures also. So, future doctors, your NEET exam is being scheduled on 12th of September, as you all guys know. And today is 4th July. Yes, start from today, okay? See, what is my plan? What am I going to do is, whatever I use for my NEET exam, I'm going to teach you, okay? Whatever method I use. So thing is, we have 3 subjects, right? Each and every day, we are going to do stuffs, okay? What are those? You have 60 days. It's now and September 12th, till September 12th, you have 60 days in your hands and just give me 45 days of yours, okay? That's my plan. 45 days of yours. Let's do it together, okay? So what is my plan? The thing is, I'm going to divide stuff. See, each and every day you're going to do all the 3 subjects plus MCQs and previous year question papers. So how? I'm going to tell you. Each and every day on my YouTube channel, I'll be posting you the topics for today. For the particular day, I'll be posting and you have to follow that. Biology, I have a specialized method which I use for my preparation. What is that? Dividing biology into conceptual and factual. What are those? If you have no idea about it, do go check out I've given my method of studying biology and do or die chapters. I've given a detailed analysis of what are the conceptual chapters and what are the factual chapters. Do go check out. Okay. Then see. So, I will be covering the conceptual chapters in the beginning and then at the 45 days, in the end of the 45 days, the last 10 days will be the factuals, which contains only factual stuffs. Those will be containing the last 10 days of the 45 days. And the second, physics and chemistry. Chemistry will be organic. First off, I will be prioritizing organic and then inorganic and physical chemistry, or it may vice versa, physical chemistry and inorganic, organic, physical chemistry, inorganic. So what am I coming to say is, few chapters are going to ask totally from the textbook. You have very little time now. I'm telling you, if you are a state board student of any other state, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, your books are amazing. It's more than enough. It's like they've built the textbook that you are supposed to, no need to go for any coaching centers like that. The textbooks are really standard. It's really good. Now it's above than NCERT. We CBSE students, after studying NCERT, we go for extra material outside. But you guys, your textbooks are equally superb. So you can, after that you can go study your NCERT, our NCERT. And now 60 days you have to totally depend on your NCERT. NCERT is your Bible. You have to study Quran, Bhagavad Gita, everything. So now don't waste your time doing your materials and stuff. Only prepare for the NCERT. NCERT is like amazing. You will understand stuff. If you do NCERT and do your previous year questions, you will know all the chapters. Everything you will be able to answer. Then you will get the confidence to go on for the next coming chapters. So physics, like that. If you're not seen my do or die chapters of physics and chemistry, it's in my, I do go check out. With that priority of the chapters, I've given schedule this 45 days plan. See, 45 days, what are we going to do? We're going to do physics one chapter, biology 1 chapter, chemistry 1 chapter. So I'll tell you, if it is a bigger chapter, I will give you 2 days for it. If it is, example, molecular base of inheritance, it's a bigger chapter. I will give you this page to this page, you have to study today and you have to study it. And the next day, this page is this page. I've given you 2 days for molecular base of inheritance, something, yeah, principles of inheritance, yeah. So if it's a bigger chapter, I've given you 2 days. If it's an important chapter, I've given you 2 days. Study it. After that, after studying one chapter from each subject, do MCQs to the particular chapter. Previous year MCQs. I'll try to upload MCQs if it is possible, or else go for Google all previous year questions of the same particular topic, and then you will get all of them. Those chapters, solve the MCQs. This is the time you have to solve lots of MCQs. This is not the time to sit and study all the time. You have to study for an hour and do 1 hour MCQs. Lots of MCQs only going to help you. Telling you, MCQs are only going to help you. 100%. So organic chemistry, next chemistry, organic chemistry, if I give alcohols, phenols, carboxylic acid, if I give you, I'll give you 3 days for it. Study, and then study means revise. At least you have to revise. And if you got state board students, the study NCERT. Study NCERT is going to be very easy because your books are nice. I've told you earlier. Books are nice, so NCERT will be even more easier. அது படிச்சிட்டு இது படிக்கும்போது ரொம்ப ஈஸியா தான் இருக்கும். So go for NCERT, படிச்சிட்டு go for the previous year questions. அந்த particular chapter ஓட previous year questions போட ஆரம்பிச்சிருங்க. This is the plan. Physics ku study all the formulas and concepts, and then go for the I've given the do or die chapters of most important chapters of physics. I've told you, concentrate on those chapters mainly, and then go for the rest of the chapters. Okay, so that's my plan. So every day you do this, and along with it, every day of the 45 days you have to do, as NTA has given you an app, or solve all the mock papers in it. Solve, it has solutions, do solve them, and then 45 days is gone. I will give you every day. I'm going to give you each and every one chapter. You have to follow it. It is going to rock you. You're going to excel in your exam if you follow this. Do NCERT. NCERT is going to be like amazingly. You will be able to score at the last minute. See, the factual stuffs are going to be directly asked from the question. Directly questions are asked from the textbook, the factual chapters. What are the factual chapters? If you want to know, do check. As I told you, go check out my do or die chapters. In that you will be able to know the factual chapters of all physics, chemistry and biology. So study them. So you can, maximum questions will be asked. That is ditto what's there in the textbook. You don't have to know stuff. So whatever is coming directly from the textbook, I've given you the last 10 days, so that it will be retained in your brain. So do lots of MCQs. I'm telling you again and again, do lots of MCQs. So what I've told you, each and every day I'll give you one chapter of physics, chemistry, biology, divide them, and then do MCQs for the particular chapter what you did, and then go for your mock test of the app that government has given you. I've given you the app link in my description. I've given you all my previous videos description. Do go check out all of those, and do follow me on Instagram. If you have any doubts, do ask me. Every day here from today I'm going to post stuffs. So on after 45 days from July till August 27th is our target of finishing everything. 11th and 12th of 11th till 12th you're prepared for NEET. That's it. Yeah. After that you have rest 15 days. What are you going to do with it? Rest 15 days is totally purely for MCQs. You have to sit and do MCQs. You will have to do one previous year question paper each on the last 15 days of 60 days. That's from 27th to 11th of September. Each and every day you have to do at least one previous year and 2 mock tests that are available in NTA app, or if you find it anywhere, do solve it. According to my knowledge, the paper might be easy because it's due to the COVID pandemic. It might be easy because for last year also most of the almost 85% was from the textbook, direct word. So never leave anything. Study the textbook words and solve MCQs for the particular chapter. If I get time, I will upload videos on MCQs that you can sit and solve stuffs. So this is my plan. So you have 15 days, do only MCQs, the rest 15 days, and if you have any doubts regarding, do ask others, do ask your friends and share it with your friends. So this is my plan, and hereafter every day I'm going to upload my 45 days challenge. We are going to rock it together and excel together with me. So this is my plan, and see what is a routine you can have in the morning. Wake up in about 4 to 4:30 to 5:30. Do your exercise. Early morning, do meditation, do exercise, do Surya Namaskars. Yeah, you have to make your body, you are working all 24/7, you have 24 hours, 8 hours, 8 hours, 8 hours. If you divide also, you're working a lot. You have to have a sleep, 6 hours sleep, never miss 6 hours sleep. So have 6 hours sleep, so never miss them. And then eat healthy food, don't eat outside. So this 60 days is going to be your future. So future doctors, this 60 days is going to determine who you're going to be for the next 5 years. So think wise, you reduce your phone. Yeah, use it for academical purpose. Yeah, my YouTube channel, not for social media stuffs. If you have any doubt, you can also DM me on my Instagram. My plan is going to be easy for anyone if you are CBSE or a state board students. So all the very best, future doctors. Study with me, excel with me.